Well, another video, and this is the staining applied by hand. No spray equipment. You can see some places are blotchy, but generally this is really nice. And in my books, it's acceptable. The next step to this, okay, just show you this as well. And the rest of them are in the drying rack. I'm going to let them sit for 24 hours to fully cure. You know, this normally wouldn't cure in 24 hours. It would appear to be cured, but it wouldn't. I think it would take about 48 hours. I think that's what it says on the can, unless I've mixed it up with some other can. The industrial fast drying stain would take about 2 hours to be dry, and but it wouldn't be fully cured. But some factories would just immediately, you know, after 2 hours, they'd apply the lacquer. But you know, they would just, they're the foolish ones. But it would definitely be dry in 24 hours. So what I did, I put it in a retarder, and that's what it's called. Give me a look. It's called, well, sorry, I put it in a dryer, not a retarder. Retarders does the opposite. It slows the drying down. This one here will increase depending on how much you put. If you put in too much, it's just going to end up being, what's the word? Can't think of the word, but it's when it dries, when you're painting it on, it'll just smear. So that's it. I'll glue it all together tomorrow, and after that, I'll allow it for it to dry another 24 hours, and then I'll apply the shellac, and Bob's your uncle, it's all done. All right, see you.